Most water tests show measurements in grains per gallon, milligrams per liter, and parts per million, depending on the substance in the water. Most lab reports usually use the measurement of milligrams per liter, which is the same as parts per million. Let's start with iron. Iron is usually measured in milligrams per liter and causes orange staining on your fixtures, your toilets, your sinks, your laundry, etc. What range of iron in milligrams per liter is considered normal? Iron is considered safe up until you get to 0.3 parts per million. At 0.3 milligrams per liter, iron starts to stain and needs to be treated. What treatment removes iron from well water? We use the Fleck 2510 AIO Catalog Slate filter system. It will remove up to 30 parts per million of iron with ease. You can contact us for sizing and to go over your water test with you at 800-460-5810, or you can send it to me by text at 443-277-2204, Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Next, we have hardness. Hardness is normally reported in milligrams per liter on your water test. What problems does hardness cause? Just to remind you, 1 grain per gallon is equal to 17.1 milligrams per liter and is equal to 17.1 parts per million. There is no normal level of hardness. Hardness can occur from 1 part per million to 25 parts per million. At 7 parts per million and above, appliance manufacturers recommend softening the water. The best way to remove hardness from the water is with an ion exchange water softening, a salt-based water softener, like the Fleck 5600 SXT 48,000 grain Vortec digital controlled softening system. If you want to contact us, you can send your water test to me at 443-277-2204 by text, or call us at 800-460-5810. We're available from Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You might ask, what problem does sulfur cause? Typically, sulfur is an odor. It's a rotten egg odor. It smells terrible. It can permeate throughout the entire house when you're using water, washing clothes, running the dishwasher, etc. People ask, what range of sulfur is normal and what range does it become a problem? There is no normal level. You want to be at 0. When you get to 1 part per million and above, sulfur becomes a problem and it has to be treated. We use the Fleck 2510 AIO with Catalog Slate. It will remove up to 10 parts per million of sulfur from the water. What problems does low pH cause? Well, if you have copper pipes, it causes corrosion and pinhole leaks and flooding. It also eats up fixtures, shower heads, faucets, the inner workings of toilets as well. At what range is pH considered normal? 7 is neutral, and that's what we consider normal. Anything below 7, say 5.5, is considered very acidic. This is our Clack 2.5 cubic foot non-backwashing acid neutralizer. It will handle pH levels from 5.5 to 6.9 with just plain calcite. What problem does manganese cause? Manganese works just like iron. It stains the fixtures in your house, like your toilet, your shower, the laundry, and it creates a blackish gray type stain. What range of manganese is considered normal? Manganese starts to stain at 0.5 parts per million or milligrams per liter. The best way to contact us is 800-460-5810. You can text your water test to me at 443-277-2204. We're available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Sunday. What treatment removes manganese from well water? Our 2510 AIO Catalog Slate system will remove up to 15 parts per million of manganese from the water without any issues. What does a positive coliform bacteria test mean? It means there's bacteria in your water, and usually it occurs from bugs or rodents getting into the well casing. Why does bacteria occur in well water? From what we've found is a lot of times it's the cap on the well casing is loose, or it's not an airtight cap. Rodents and insects get in there, fall down into the well, and cause bacteria. They start to decay, and you'll get coliform bacteria, and then it colonizes in the water itself. And once it gets to a certain level, you start to have issues, stomach discomfort, diarrhea, etc. And we don't want that. How is bacteria treated? Well, this is what we use, the Vicla VH410 UV light. As water passes through, the bacteria is considered dead, and it's 99.9% effective. If you want to contact us, you can reach us at 800-460-5810. You can also text me your water test at 443-277-2204. You can contact us Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. What does TDS measure? TDS measures the amount of total dissolved solids in your water supply. When does TDS matter in a well water test? To be honest with you, once you get to levels of 500 milligrams per liter and above, TDS needs to be treated. How do you treat TDS? Well, typically the only way that you can really treat TDS is with a reverse osmosis. This is our Pro 75 series, and it does an excellent job. Easy maintenance, easy to change filters, and it will give you up to 75% reduction of TDS and other contaminants in the water. If you need to contact us, you can reach us at 800-460-5810, or you can text your water test to me at 443-277-2204. We're available Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Which numbers in a well water test matter the most? Well, we like to start with the basics: pH, hardness, bacteria, total dissolved solids, and iron. How could you contact us to confirm that you're getting the right system? You can call us at 800-460-5810, or you can text me directly at 443-277-2204. We're available Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.